Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Eater and this is Eater's Corner. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and share how I make baked barbecue chicken legs with mashed sweet potato and white rice. Hope you enjoy. So I love eating food that's well seasoned. So being an island girl, I had to season my meat very well. So what I use lime, onions, green onions, red peppers, 2 chili peppers. I use salt, seasoning salt and pepper. Okay, and I put a little water so the meat can cook well. Oh, also don't forget to add garlic, very important. After 30 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, I took my chicken legs out of the oven, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and add ketchup and barbecue sauce over it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip the chicken legs over so the other side have the opportunity to bake or cooked. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it back into the oven. So after another 30 more minutes, I took the chicken legs out of the oven, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and repeat what I did in the last slide, which is flip the chicken legs over and add ketchup and barbecue sauce over it. Very simple. You can see that the chicken legs is it's actually ready to be eaten, but I prefer it to I prefer that each side has the opportunity to be sauteed with barbecue and ketchup. So in the meantime, I boil 1 sweet potato for about 1 hour, and I also made some white rice with my rice cooker. As you can see, my sweet potato is all done. I went ahead and peeled the skin from it, and I'm about to use my fork and mash it up. After I mash the potato up, I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter, about 1.5 teaspoons, and a little bit of black pepper. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave for 1 minute until the butter is melted, and I'm gonna stir it up. So after 2.5 hours, my baked barbecue chicken legs is all done. Look how nice it looks. So delicious looking. Ooh, I cannot wait to enjoy this. As you can see, this is the final product. on my plate, I have fried rice, sweet mashed potato, and baked barbecue chicken leg. So if you guys love my cooking and want to see more of that, let me know down in the comment. Also, if you want to know what other ingredients I use or any questions, comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. Also, subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss another video from me. Thank you for watching Eda's Corner, and I'll see you in the next video.